We're used to breezy trade winds here in Hawaii. A powerful Kona storm is expected to move into the island this week, bringing the potential for heavy rain, strong winds, and even thunderstorms. Joining us now with what residents need to know is National Weather Service meteorologist Patrick Blood. Good morning, Patrick. Thanks for joining us so early this morning.
Good morning, Brittany. How are you?
All right, I'm great for this morning. I would love to chat with you, of course, about the powerful Kona storm system that we have. First off, for the viewers, what exactly is a Kona storm and how is it different from the typical trade wind weather we're used to here in Hawaii?
Well, Kona storm is typically a large trough or a low pressure system that sets up west of the island chain. And these are slow moving systems. So they bring rain and strong winds to the islands for days. So it's typically a slow moving system. It's again a Kona low, Kona being south side or leeward, and typically it's up to the west or southwest of the island chain. And they're slow moving, and it just picks up high moisture from the south and spreads it across the islands. And because it's such a slow moving system, we get episode after episode of heavy rain. Some of these showers or thunderstorms can train or move over the same area over multiple days, hours. It just takes they produce a lot of rain over a long period of time. So they're pretty much our Super Bowl of storms this time of year.
Thank you so much, Patrick. Okay, so based off what you're saying, which islands or areas of the state could we see possibly the heaviest rainfall or strongest impacts?
Well, we're going to start seeing the impacts beginning later today into tomorrow. This is going to be a multiple chapter event. So I think the heaviest rain for Kauai and Oahu are going to be from tonight through tomorrow. So be really weather aware going into this evening and through tomorrow, Wednesday. And then we might see a slight break on Thursday. And then on Friday, Saturday, we're expecting another round of not only periods of heavy rain, but now strong south winds. The south winds will come up from obviously the south and come over the mountain ranges. The Ko'olaus will be likely dealing with strong downslope winds on the windward, the typical windward, trade windward sides of the islands Friday into Saturday. So we'll go from a flooding threat to possibly a high wind situation. Also with thunderstorms, we're looking at the chance that some of these storms could become severe.
Now, do you think that this particular system, is there something that makes it a little bit more unusual than our typical Kona lows, or something that us, of course, as forecasters are watching pretty closely?
Well, this system in itself is similar in many Kona storms. I think the difference in this storm is more of a climate perspective in the sense that this is yet another storm that we're dealing with. Just a couple of weeks ago, we dealt with all the heavy rainfall in Oahu, and then we had the Super Bowl storm on February 8th, where we had high winds. So I think it's sort of just this idea of we're getting weary here in Hawaii. Our grounds are already wet and saturated, just another storm. So the storm itself is pretty similar characteristics, probably a little slower than most Kona lows, but the fact that we've gone through so much in the last month is what makes this storm so unique. We're ready to get out of this wet season and start getting into the more drier weather.
For sure. Thank you, Patrick. So with your expertise, what should residents do now to prepare for the impacts and the weather already happening, especially for Kauai County today?
Well, for Kauai County, they're already under the gun. So they need to just hunker down, stay off the roadways. If you do not have to leave your home, do not leave your house, do not get yourself in a situation where you could become part of the flow, the water flow. So we have a saying in the Weather Service, turn around, don't drown. But if you can't put yourself in that situation, don't do it. Stay in if you can. As far as wind, make sure that you're within a very sturdy structure once the winds begin. They're going to last for multiple days. The rain will, of course, weaken the soils and trees will come down, so be prepared for power outages. But as we go through the event, it's going to be a situation where you just want to stay off the roads. Now, for residents of Oahu, Maui County, Big Island, today, get outside if you can and make sure that your culverts are clear. Make sure that water can flow easily. Right now, if there's any dead tree limbs or palm fronds, make sure they're picked up. So just make sure your area around your residence is sort of cleared out, because what happens is these culverts will quickly jam with debris, and that's when we start seeing residents flooding.
Is there anywhere that residents now, of course, of the islands can go on your website, maybe learn a little bit more and take a deeper look into the weather and marine alerts that we have for today?
Absolutely. So you just go to the website weather.gov, and you can just navigate over Hawaii, and you'll see all of our watches right now. We have flood watches that'll be channeling down the islands through tomorrow, and our website, weather.gov, has all that information, and also preparedness information on what you can do to prepare yourself for what's going to be probably a multiple day, high wind, heavy rainfall scenario.
Definitely. So we need to definitely prepare for, like you said, multi-day event for the rest of the week. Thank you so much, Patrick, for joining us. We have that website. We just had it there on the screen for the viewers. Thank you, Patrick. Have a good rest of the morning.
You're welcome. Take care. Be safe, everyone.
And remember, KHON2 is Hawaii's weather source. Stay tuned for the very latest on the upcoming storms on air and online at KHON2.com.